Hi everyone, it's your girl Sade and we are back with another video. And for this week's video, your girl is like all falled out, like real dark, real vampy, but like smoked out with a smoky eye or whatnot, dark lip. Like we are just going in, like all into fall today is what we're doing. So if you guys are interested on how I got this look, then make sure to keep on watching. But before you resume, make sure to subscribe to my channel, add me on all social medias, like, comment, all that jazz. And now we will get to it. Right, so I got one eye done. We got a little cleanup situation that we need to do, just a little bit. I tried to clean most of it up, but we're gonna do the rest of the face later, so I'll go and clean all that up. First, let me put some little lip gloss on so lips don't feel dry. Y'all, I just got this in the mail, the Fenty Gloss Bomb. I got both of them. This one's a little mini, and then I got the newest one that came out. Y'all, they smell so good. And they taste good too, and it's cute. Like, I look like I did something extra with my lips, but it's just some lip gloss. Like, all right, so I am gonna first go in with the Saharan 2 palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm taking my E17 brush and going in with this maroon shade called Zuhura. This shade right here. I'm going in with that. I don't know why. I don't know if it's because it's yellow and the words are white. I really could not see that. And might I say I got pretty perfect vision, but I really cannot see that. I mean, it's a little dusty too, but I could not see. So taking that, I am bringing that shade, like I'm packing that shade on to the crease, but I'm not bringing it too high. Like, I'm bringing it like low on the crease, because especially since this is such a pigmented color. I say that while I didn't really tap my brush in. This is a very, very pigmented color. So we don't want all that pigment like all the way up. No, we want to like dilute the color, to make that illusion that we use like 50 million shades to make it that light, when really we use only one. So just packing that color on, and first starting out just kind of blending it right where it is, because we're trying to get rid of that, like any product that we have left on that brush, but then also kind of just blending all that together. And this is a process. This look and doing like a smoky eye like this, it's a process. You gotta trust it, you gotta believe in yourself, you gotta like the whole shebang, because you look a hot mess. I'm not gonna lie to you, you will look a hot mess, but the end result is where we're heading. Okay, and see, we made a nice gradient after all that blending. So on okay, it's not so clean no more because I did do the other eye, so I'm gonna kind of dust off some of that on the back of my hand so that hopefully you don't got too much color on it. But I'm just gonna take this blending brush on the outside just to kind of clean it up just a little bit more, just a smidget. Next, I am going to be going in with a flat brush and really doing this look like you can take any two colors, any two, like whatever palette, all that kind of stuff. Like, I'm just taking what I have in my room and just kind of mix and match and all that kind of stuff. So I am going to be going in with my Jaclyn Hill palette in this black shade, because it was like the first one that I saw. And I was like, okay, I need a black, give me a black. And that's what I did. And we are going to pack this really low. Once again, we start in low and we will blend our way up. That's the key on having a very successful go on a smoky eye, to start low and blend it up. I'm telling you, it will work, and it will work every time, because you can never go wrong with, starting low and blending your way. So yes, as you can see, I'm not even like at my crease. Like it's very, very low. Just because we don't want to do too much too early. And remember, you don't have to do too much from the beginning. Like you can start low, blend a little, blend it up, and then if you want to pack more color in, then pack some more into that crease and blend a little bit more, which is exactly the technique that I'm going to be doing. It's kind of taking turns on packing and blending, okay? It's what's going to have that perfect and seamless blend throughout the whole thing. So on my e.l.f. blending brush, I am going to just start this blending process. And the shape that I did, the black, is kind of in a circular motion because I want the smokiness to go out rather than like doing a cat eye for today. So to help blend that out even more, I am going to be going back in with that E17 brush and taking some more of that burgundy shade and just packing it right on top, like right where the end of that black is on top. Just packing that in and blending. And I'm blending it like right where it is because I don't want to bring the darkness of that black any higher, because you know it's already pretty high up. If you hear any background noise, it's just some people in my backyard over here thinking they throwing the best over a big ass party or whatever. So yeah, rude. All right, and now back in with that what's soon to be clean blender brush. Yeah, look, I got a fucking bug bite on my hand. I was so mad, like fucking disrespectful bastard. I was very upset because it's been itching all week long. And you know how like when you get a bug bite, like if it's on like say your arm or your leg, like you can forget about it. It's on my hand, so I can't forget about it because I always see it. Like it's annoying. But with that clean blender brush, just gonna very lightly diffuse them edges. I don't know if I said this before, but this is a Wet n Wild blender brush. I feel like I might have used and abused that brush a little too much on the other eye, so I'm taking this is the G17 brush, and this is a completely clean brush to blend this out. Now, if I did both eyes at the same time, I wouldn't have had that problem. Maybe. Actually, I probably would have had the same problem. But, yeah. Just because that black is super pigmented, so it's kind of like all over the brush. And the key with having like a really successful like smoky eye is that you just want to be able to take your time. You want to take your time and just really focus on that blend, because if it's not blended, you are gonna look a hot mess, I'm telling you. So for the most part, I'm liking how this is looking. I'm gonna apply just a little bit more black to bring back that pigment. Really make sure to pack that in right on that lash line, because I'm not doing any eyeliner or anything like that. I'm just taking this like light shimmer shade in my Jaclyn Hill palette, popping it in that brow bone. This is so blinded if you just leave it like that, like this. That's not cute. We gotta blend her out. So it's gonna some brush diffuse her just a little bit. Next, I am gonna clean the under eye and I'm gonna be right back. All right, so it's a little messy, but it's because we about to go in with some more black. So I cleaned it, but like I was gonna do everything, you know what I'm saying? Because like it's about to get a little bit more dirty. So I am taking this flat Lexi brush in the number 221T, just taking that black and lining that lower lash line. And then before I blend that out, I am just gonna take any black eyeliner or whatnot. This is the Color Mates eyeliner pencil. Just taking that and lining my waterline, which I don't do this very often because I don't really like doing it. I don't really mind the process of actually lining the waterline. It's when you're taking your makeup off. It's what I don't like because it's a pain in the butt. Alright, so next I am taking my beloved Y22 brush from Morphe and just going back in with that burgundy shade and blending all that out. And since this is a smoky eye, I do want to bring out that lower lash line a little bit lower, which I've never really gone this low with like my lower lash line, because normally I'm kind of like, I do my lower lash line because I feel like it looks a lot better, but going too low I do get scared because like I don't want to look a hot mess, like, and I don't know, but I actually really like how low this is. Like, I think it's very flattering. And all I'm gonna do is clean up the rest of the eye, you know, the outside and all that, and then I am gonna put some mascara and eyelashes on, and I'm gonna be right back. All right, and this is the final look. So for the lips, I decided to go with like pretty vampy lips. Since we are pretty dark, I used Kylie Jenner's Lip Kit in Court K, and I topped it off with Diamond Milk from Fenty Beauty. And like, I'm feeling like a freaking galactic like princess or something. Even this whole eye look, like, I don't know, it's just different for me. It's different. It's a vibe. It's a mood. It's a I don't know. And even the face makeup, I haven't done a full face of makeup in what feels like forever, but I'm really feeling it. Like the bronze, the kind of glowy skin, like the whole shebang. Like, I'm feeling it all. Okay, so I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys like this look, and make sure to comment down below what other videos you guys want to see from me, because you know there's so many ways I can go with this. Like, go do some Halloween videos, do some more fall videos. Like, what do you guys want to see? Help a girl out or whatnot. But yeah, also add me on all social medias, which I will link them down below, and all my products that I used today, I will also link those down below as well. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye.